Obviously you don't say no to the manager.
You can have 1 point, I'll let you have one. Like heading the ball to me, I'm like, no.
I couldn't.
But then throw myself in front of the ball, I'm like,
Yes, give me it.
Goalie chap, you're
Yeah,
goalie chap,
it
really,
is.
isn't it?
Yeah.
Who wants to be a goalkeeper? I'd say go for
Go
it.
for it.
Just
It's
don't
so
give
much
up.
fun. Yeah.
This is cool. I
love
love
the
it.
Cwtsh.
It's so nice.
I really like the chair.
And there is a goalkeeper shirt on the back,
Of course
but
it's on the back, yeah.
It's on the back.
It's fine. We may
it's
do.
fine,
We
yeah.
may do.
Still appreciate the little mention. Yeah, this is really cool. It's been actually a bit hectic this morning.
Yeah, like all the other mornings actually.
Yeah, I'm an early riser, so 7:30 wake up.
Oh, I'm not. 8:30 wake up for me.
Yeah, went for a little walk. It's my mum's birthday, so I FaceTimed her.
Aww.
Yeah, so happy birthday, Gail.
Happy birthday, Gail.
So yeah, went for a walk, FaceTimed her, and we have like a little sunflower field outside the hotel.
So cute.
So I do a little loop around there, and then around the golf course, and then to Breckie, and then what else did we do?
Meeting.
Yeah, I did yoga and breathwork.
Oh yeah.
Shout out to the yoga club as well. Yes, we did that, and then probably you go to gym today.
I've not decided yet. I'm going to see
I'm
how I
gonna do
feel
some
after
uppers in the
training.
gym.
Because I'm feeling a bit,
Fragile.
yeah, a bit fragile.
Yeah, so gym after training, and then we have a lot of free time I think today, which
Yeah.
would be nice just to like chill, maybe explore like
The area a bit, yeah.
'cause we've not really been outside.
There's
the hotel
electric
much.
bikes. Have you used them yet?
No.
No, I was thinking about using
Yeah.
them. Go for a little explore.
Maybe go to the driving range because we have on a
Shock.
golf course. Yeah. Need to sharpen my game up really after the other day. It was a poor performance. But we have the Swiss Open coming up at some point. I don't know when that is. Yeah, so I think every camp now we're going to have a little major tournament. So I think we've got like the Vale Open when we're back at the Vale.
Yesterday, quite a busy day. We didn't have a lot of time
But
to
we
switch
did
off,
go to the mountains yesterday.
which was definitely
Went
worth
up the
it.
cable car.
Yeah. Saw the Alps.
That was actually quite surreal, yeah.
That was actually crazy.
But yeah, I was just stood there like taking it all in and
Mental.
just, this is sick.
Yeah.
Me and Carrie had a little moment. We were just overlooking like the mountains and like giving ourselves a little gratitude prayer.
Oh, I was listening. I was like,
We were
"Girls,
so wholesome.
are you guys okay?"
But yeah, I actually am a mountain climber and I would like to stay after the tournament just to do a few. Before Snowdon, I went to the Lake District, I went hiking and I did ask if I could climb Snowdon and the answer was a firm no. It was like 3 days before we flew out to Portugal. We do chat quite a
We
lot
do
about
talk about
gloves.
gloves a lot, yeah. They're just so many different colours, like they're really quite pretty.
Yeah, and there's a lot of like cuts.
Yeah, like different shapes.
What do you have?
I think I'm negative.
I'm half negative. Saf's skin cut. Goalie chap, you're
Yeah,
goalie chap,
it
really,
is.
isn't it?
Yeah.
But a new pair of gloves is so satisfying.
It's so much better than a new pair of boots.
Yeah.
Yeah. it was worth it.
Actually, day 2 gloves are better than day 1 gloves.
Oh, 100%. Yesterday I had day 1 gloves.
Yeah, it's just something about day 1 gloves. It's
It's
okay.
not it.
Nice to look at, but just a bit like slippy.
It's so slippy. I feel
Day
like I've
2
got
gloves are
grease.
like sticky. They're good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Today's going to be a good day then.
Sorry, we're going off a
Yeah,
goalie
sorry.
glove chat. This is
what happens.
exactly
Just get
what
going.
happens. We've both had quite interesting
Yeah, we
journeys,
have.
haven't we?
After you.
So I was a striker when I was younger. I feel like most goalkeepers played outfield at some point. I think I became a goalkeeper when I was like 12, maybe. The goalkeeper was ill one day, so I was like, I'll go in goal. And then the goalkeeper coach was like, yeah, you're quite good in goal, so you should try it. Yeah, and I've been a goalkeeper ever since. So I've gone from like tier 7 in the English football pyramid to
All the way up.
all the way up, and
All
here
the
we
way
are. That's the City now, so yeah. What are you?
I don't even know where to start on this one. So I was a centre-back, so I was playing
For Wales.
for Wales. Yeah, I was playing under 15 centre-back for Wales. And then the manager for the first team at the time, Jane, she said, we want to just put you in goal. You're tall. Let's see what happens. Obviously, you don't say no to the manager. So I was like, yeah, sure. It was really hard at first. I really didn't know what I was doing, but stuck with it. And then I had a bit of a hybrid season where I was playing centre mid for Swansea under 16s. And then I'd come on camp.
Centre mid.
Yeah. And then I'd come on camp and I'd go in goal. Eventually they made me pick, and I'm glad I picked this.
Yeah.
It's a lot more fun.
Yeah, I do watch outfield training. I'm like,
Boring.
good decision
Yeah.
to be a goalkeeper.
So yeah, now here we are.
Like no one understands like what a goalkeeper's like until you're a goalkeeper.
Yeah, like it's completely different.
Like no one like you speak to outfielders and they're like, I don't know how you do it, but then I'm like, I don't know how you head a ball.
Yeah,
Like heading a ball to me, I'm like, no.
I couldn't
But then throw myself in front of the ball, I'm like,
Yes, give me it.
But yeah, in terms of like confidence, I done a lot of work with like psychologists.
Me too.
Like Sally previously, Kate Green now. Yeah, I've done a lot of work with them, and I think that's helped me develop a lot.
Yeah, just makes you a bit stronger, doesn't it?
Just dealing with like the pressure, like resetting if you make a mistake, stuff like that. I've learned to deal with, and just not really caring what people think as much.
Yeah.
And it's so easy to say, but it's just...
I know it is.
No one actually really cares.
No.
That's what I've learned.
Yeah.
Like, you might make a mistake. No one actually remembers that mistake except you.
You're the only one thinking about it. Yeah.
And just genuinely enjoy it. Like, I look back now and I'm like, oh, I wish I enjoyed certain parts of my career a little bit more. And when you go through the lows, like, the highs are a lot more enjoyable.
Yeah.
Like, when we qualified, I literally just sat down on the pitch because I was like, oh my God, like, we've been through so much, like, individually as a team. And then to like experience this, I was like, this is why we do it. You have to make sure like you do appreciate that and just enjoy that moment, but also in the lows, like try not to isolate yourself.
Yeah.
Like figure out ways to deal with it. Like I journal quite a lot. That's my like coping mechanism. And I try and like socialise because when I'm low on confidence, I think I like tend to isolate a little bit more.
I need people around me.
I go quieter.
Yeah, me too.
So I just try and like play games or like play cards or something.
Just be around people. Yeah.
We're our own little group.
Yeah.
I think we protect each other quite well.
Yeah, we do. We really make the most of it.
Yeah. That's so cute. Oh, like even seeing that though, like you still don't believe that's for you.
Like, that's your kit. She wants
like we
to
used
be
to
you.
do that when we were younger.
Yeah.
Actually, I don't know if I did because I didn't have like a female
No, I didn't. I was
role model. So now to see that and like, yeah, it's just cute, isn't it?
So cute.
Just lush. Yeah, I hope more people like do look up to us as goalkeepers.
Yeah.
Because it is a very unique position. And it's nice as well to see like boys and girls.
Yeah,
as
it's
well.
not just like just girls.
Yeah.
It's quite, well, obviously the game's growing, so it's quite big now.
If anyone wants to be a goalkeeper, I'd say go for it.
Go for it.
Just
It's
don't
so
give
much
up.
fun. Yeah.
Canada.
You have to wait for him to finish the question.
Well, like on the chase, you don't. You can hit
Fine.
button.
Okay. Understood. Italy?
Does that mean, no, that means the camp before Croatia
I wasn't here then, that's
at
unfair.
home in Wrexham, I think it was.
Bias.
Yeah. Hannah Kane, Carrie Jones.
Also wasn't there.
You should remember that.
I was driving home from Blackburn at the time, I didn't even watch it.
Fairs.
True.
47.
They don't have to remember.
Okay, you can have 1 point. I'll let you have one.
Yes.
France,
France,
England,
England,
Netherlands.
I think that was a draw. We said it in the same order.
Yeah, we did.
Which is weird because that's not the order we're playing them in.
It's completely different. It's not even like backwards. It's
No.
like middle, last,
Those are just,
first.
we're on the same page today.
Scully.
Yeah.
Lucerne.
Lucerne.
Do you mean like the stadium name?
I don't know the stadium name.
that. Lucerne.
Lucerne.
Lucerne Stadium.
Oh. Could have guessed it.
Stadion. Is that stadium in German?
Yeah, signs it. We'll go with that.
Thanks.
Yeah, whatever.
I don't lose quizzes.
A Cwtsh to me is just like comfy, like it's warm, it's nice, it's like a comfort.
Yeah, Cwtsh. Yeah, just like home comforts, love, appreciation. Yeah, just it's a nice feeling, isn't it?
Warm and cosy.
Yeah.
Yeah.